Hey guys, welcome back. Nice to see you again. Today we're gonna talk about this painting here. It's pretty big, 24 by 24 inch landscape painting. I will show you in detail how I painted this big thing here. We'll go over the whole process of underpainting and finishing it in oils. Step 1. Mixing the acrylics for the underpainting. For the first layer of color I use these Liquitex acrylics, pretty cheap, basic color, but they come out pretty well if you mix the color right. So next step is to try to mix the color according to the reference photo. So this is the palette after mixing the colors, roughly according to this color scheme I printed out. Step 2. Mixing the oils. So for the sky of this painting we're gonna use titanium white, lamp black, phthalo blue, cadmium red medium, cerulean blue, raw umber and lemon yellow. Here the color is already mixed according to the reference print out we have here. And if you're not sure about mixing the color right, you can mix them and put them next to the color you want to mix. So the first try of the sky color here was a bit too blue, as you can see. I mixed it again and now we have this one that pretty much gets pretty close to the actual color. Same as here, the blue of the sky and the white of this section here. Now to the fun part, let's paint. might have wondered why there's no color mixing in this video from the background and from the tree and the grass here. And I have to admit, I somehow lost it. Deleted it, I don't know, it's gone, so sorry for that. So, we're finished with this painting now. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye!